Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Students, how are you? Students, we welcome all of you in our Tamam Education channel. Dear students, today we are going to learn the subject of basic cost accounting, in which we have a topic cost accounting cycle. Students, let's start to move our new topic, problem number 13th, which is taken from the book of Professor Sohail Afzal. Students, in this problem we will use the two separate journals like as head office books and factory office books. Students, let's start to read this problem carefully, which is in front of your screen. Problem number 4.13, opening factory ledger. Following balances appeared on the books of Iqbal Corporation on December 31st, 2014. Accounts cash, accounts receivable, stores, work in process material, work in process labor, work in process FOH, finished goods inventory, machinery and equipment, land and building, capital, retained earnings and mortgage. Students, considering the difficulties faced by the accountant during the preceding years, the management has decided to establish a factory at the beginning. Of the years, that is from Jan 1st, 2015. You are required to pass necessary journal entries both in general ledger and factory ledgers here. Students, for this purpose, in given accounts, we have to separate the factory accounts, which is appeared in the head office. These accounts has to transfer factory office books. For this purpose, we have to maintain the two books like as head office books and factory office books separately. Now, in the book of head office, the factory ledger should be debited with all the cost which is occurred in different accounts like as stores, work in materials, work in labor, work in FH, work in goods, etc. Now, in stores, the value is 31,500 rupees. Work in process material 15,000 rupees. Work in process labor is 10,500 rupees. Work in process FH 12,000 rupees. And free goods inventory is 21,000 rupees. Students, these are the accounts which are belong to the factory. And now the factory will handle these accounts in future separately. The sum up is 9,000 rupees here. Student, these are the entries in the book of head office. Now we move to the factory office books, in which these entries which have been passed in head office should be reciprocal. The store amount 31,500 rupees. Work in process material 15,000 rupees. Work in process labor 10,000 rupees. Work in process FH 12,000 rupees. And free goods inventory is 21,000 rupees. And the sum up is 90,000 rupees. Now students who are looking in the book of head office, the factory ledger is debited, and in the book of factory office books, the general ledger is credited. Students, this is the process to transfer all the relevant accounts which are belong to the factory Students, I think you understand, I hope you understand about this problem. This is only that work. We have to transfer all the accounts which is belong to the factory, which is appeared in the book of head office, now transfer to the factory office books. Students, I hope you understand about this problem clearly. If you have any queries, any problems, any difficulties which is faced by you in this problem, please contact me on my channel comments box so I can try my best to remove your deficiencies. Please remember to like, subscribe, comments and share to my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.